I'm Harold Stewart, founder of LiquidOff. LiquidOff is a super hydrophobic treatment that uses the power of nanotechnology to repel against liquids and stains. It is the world's most advanced self-cleaning solution created especially for fabrics that is guaranteed to extend the life of anything it touches. From the start, we wanted to create a product that is truly unique, one that is easily applied, long-lasting, and delicate enough to never affect the breathability, texture, or color of anything it touches. More importantly, we wanted LiquidOff to be completely safe. Almost all of the existing applications on the market today contain toxic and harmful chemicals. We knew there had to be a better way. So after much research and development, we were able to develop a green and eco-friendly solution that is completely free of all harmful chemicals and solvents. There are many other features that make LiquidOff stand out from the crowd. Its ability to remain completely invisible and non-detectable is a game changer. Other applications dry to a hard and flaky white haze that completely ruins anything they touch. So feel free to use LiquidOff on your favorite running shoes, expensive silk tie, baby clothing, or even on that new black dress that you've been dying to wear. We are the green and eco-friendly solution that will save you time and money while allowing you to live a cleaner and healthier lifestyle. To date, we've tested and integrated all of the major components of our formulation, and we already have a working and tested product. Now all we need is your backing to get us to the next level. So please back us and help us spread the word. Thank you.